Hi, I'm in Malang. Let's see what £10 a night gets you. This huge room. Look at this huge room. Oh my god. Who's that?
Oh, yeah, I'm just a prostitute that the heroines.
Oh, you've ruined my fucking video again. And then... and then... Look, it's got a bath. You've even got a bath. And a huge fucking shower light, innit?
Hello, we're in Malang.
Who's this guy? Yeah. This is where they get married. That's the aisle, right?
Is it what?
Look, that's the aisle. Literally wedding.
Sour, result sour, something like that. I don't know what it is. I think it's like kue putu or something. This is kue dadar cake. This is, I don't know what it is. It's supposed to be like for dessert. Ote-ote. This is authentic from Malang. It has, actually it's mix of like brown sugar. Oh, so there's like some chili inside. It's a mix of sweet and spicy. There's what is it called? Like mountain? No, it's not mountain. It's I don't know how to
Hi, I'm in Malang.
It's like this whole thing costs like 58. You got everything there, like the but one. This one is like eggplant, and this catfish. This one, sauce eggs. This is called
Shrimp.
yeah, shrimp, fried shrimp, mushroom, and got like sambal here. That's just it.
Is it? How much? It's like £1.50 for a meal. So what's this?
You know, it's like milk from Malang. Just milk, no pond. Oh my god, there was like a cult, like in gang. It's called Pak Sabah Street, and they started selling like street food. Hacho. The name after that name Mustika. And then after that, that was in 1964. And then in 1966, they stayed in one place that is called Pandaman Street to sell special. And then they started using what is it called, like the thing, the wheel to carry it. And ever since this special mustika been knowing, like in the city, like people started to know the special. And then in 2018 they started to get like a proper shop in before that in 1984 they moved the location from Raja Places, and then then like in 2019 when they started to have like a proper shop finally after years.
How do you know so much about this shop? Makasih Kak. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. From Here, Malang.
I'm from small city, Blitar.
From where?
Blitar.
Okay.
Blitar is near mountain.
I see. Oh.
We still cook with wood.
Oh, really? Okay. So it's like small town?
Yeah, small city. How long you stay in Malang?
Just 3 days. Yeah, so I'm living in Jakarta, and we came for like a trip. Went to Jakarta, Surakarta, and then went to Burma yesterday.